It's about 9:30 in the morning. It's 33 degrees outside. I haven't looked yet. I'm about to go out, and I did find my keys. My keys were in my left pocket, and I usually put them in my right pocket. So I don't know why I put them in my left pocket, but I couldn't find them because they were in the wrong pocket. Anyway, I got the keys. But I'm about to go outside, and I have to leave from here, and I have to go do some stuff. And I'm getting no solar. There's nothing coming in there. Absolutely zero. This video is going to be unedited too, because I don't have any power on the computer. But so I have to go outside. I have to clean the solar panel, and I have to put air in the tire, and I got to start the van before I get chilled, because it's a little chilly. And I have no idea what it looks like outside. So let me turn the lights off. Just bear with me for a second. Whoa, it looks beautiful. Wow, I heard the trucks going all night. Wow. The roads are clean. Look at that pile of snow over there. Alright. Let me get my handy dandy tripod. Okay, this is not gonna work. Folks, you can't put the device behind the tripod. You got to put it in front of the tripod, like that. That's how. Oh, wait a minute. It's a little dirty. 1 second. Oh, that's better. I got my bag of garbage I gotta throw out. First snow of the season. I'm gonna start the van, so it might be a little noisy. I need heat in here. Put on my shoes. Oh, it's nice and sunny. Whoa! Let's see. All right. No wonder. Oh, it's fluffy. It's fluffy. Ooh, it's cold. See, no wonder I don't have. Oh, look at that. I have that's probably about 5 or 6 inches of snow. We probably had about 5 or 6 inches of snow over here. And no wonder I'm not getting any power, because yeah, I'm towing I cleaned my storage, and I got to move some stuff somewhere else, and oh, the snow. I have something in here. I have something here to where's this thing to clean the snow? Oh, I gotta go find it. Anyway, I gotta find my snow cleaning whatchamacallit, thingamajig. Wow. But at least the roads right now are nice and drivable, and I can go places now. Wow. It looks cool though, right? Look at that. It looks cool. But you don't want to be in this stuff when it starts snowing. You don't want to be driving. I mean, I do have excellent traction, as you can see, but I don't want to risk it. Oh, look. I got a free popsicle. Look at that. Nice. Ooh. Anyway, I gotta go. I gotta clean this up. I gotta find the thing that I have to clean the snow. What is it? Oh, right. Is this the it? Is that it? Yeah. I have it over here. Ah, darn it. I'm gonna need 2 hands probably. I got stuff in the way. I want to show you. All right, hold on. I'm gonna clean. Yeah, I'm gonna get another. Stay right there. 1 second. What's the matter with this thing? Oh. There was one thing in a way, and as soon as I removed that thing, this thing came right out. So I bought this. I think I bought this at Walmart maybe a couple years ago. And you press the button, it straightens out, and then you press another button and it expands. And now I can clean the roof. Buddy, you all right? Sorry about that. Anyway, oh, it's cold. My hands are cold. I should put gloves on, and I probably should put pants on, but nah, it's all right. And yeah, I gotta clean this. I gotta clean the solar panel definitely, because like the sun is out and I'm not getting any power. Look how much snow I have up here. Look at that. And I'm using my ladder, handy dandy ladder. And no wonder I wasn't getting any sun on my panel. Look at that. That's a lot of snow. All right, let me do this quick because it's cold and I'm freezing up here.